ఒకసారి అందరూ భోజనానికి వెళ్ళండి అమ్మా.
అన్న డోర్ వేసే అన్న,
డోర్ క్లోజ్ చేయండి గంగాధర్ గారు. మీడియా మిత్రులకు నమస్కారములు. ఈరోజు భారతీయ జనతా మహిళా మోర్చా మీడియా మిత్రులకు నమస్కారములు. ఈరోజు భారతీయ జనతా మహిళా మోర్చా మొదటి రాష్ట్ర కార్యవర్గ సమావేశాలు నిర్వహించుకోవడం జరుగుతుంది. ఈ కార్యవర్గ సమావేశాలకు ముఖ్య అతిథిగా జాతీయ మహిళా మోర్చా అధ్యక్షురాలు శ్రీమతి వానతి శ్రీనివాసన్ గారు రావడం జరిగింది. అదేవిధంగా మాజీ రాష్ట్ర అధ్యక్షులు మాజీ మంత్రివర్యులు శ్రీ కన్నా లక్ష్మీనారాయణ గారు, మహిళా మోర్చా జాతీయ ప్రధాన కార్యదర్శి శ్రీమతి సుఖప్రీత్ కౌర్ గారు, రాష్ట్ర ఉపాధ్యక్షురాలు శ్రీమతి శరణాల మాధవిరాణి గారు ఈ సమావేశంలో పాల్గొనడం జరుగుతుంది. ఇప్పుడు జాతీయ మహిళా మోర్చా అధ్యక్షురాలు ఈ మధ్య కాలంలోనే కమల్ హాసన్ని ఓడించి విజయం సాధించిన మహిళగా మనందరం చెప్పుకుంటున్న శ్రీమతి వానతి శ్రీనివాసన్ గారు ఇప్పుడు ప్రెస్ ఉద్దేశించి ప్రసంగిస్తారు.
Good afternoon to media friends. Andarki namaskar. I am here to attend the state executive meeting of Mahila Morcha of Andhra Pradesh. It's a routine organizational meeting. Mahila Morcha is focusing on to build and form a team in each booth committees, at least with minimum of 10 women Karyakartas of the party, and train them, motivate them to take the Prime Minister's welfare schemes to each and every house of Andhra Pradesh. And also Mahila Morcha would insist the women Karyakartas of the party to take up the political social issues which are being faced by women folk of this state. There are hundreds of Prime Minister welfare schemes which are all women-centric welfare schemes, starting from Jantan to Swachh Bharat, from startup to Ujjwala, and Ayushman Bharat is one of the scheme where during this pandemic situation the entire family gets the coverage of 5 lakh rupees per year. Identifying the beneficiaries, connecting with them, and to create awareness among them about how Honorable Prime Minister is empowering women through these social welfare schemes is our main focus. Today in the state executive meeting, Mahila Morcha has passed a resolution of condemning the present state government not properly attending or not having enough sensitivity in address the sexual harassment cases, rapes and molestation cases against women. Though the Honorable Chief Minister is frequently saying about the women's safety and his concern for the women in Andhra Pradesh, with much fanfare the Disha app has been introduced here, but to our shock, majority of the criminal cases against women, his own party men are being involved and they are being safeguarded by the state government. here the Women Commission has been set up. But unfortunately, the chairman of the Women Commission is not sensitive enough to address the issues of women. The Mahila Morcha is totally unsatisfied with the functioning of the Women Commission in the state. Mahila Morcha for several years in Andhra Pradesh requesting the state governments to ban the liquor shops, and they are advocating the total prohibition in the state. We are for that. The present state government, the present state chief minister has assured before election that if he would form the government, he will completely ban the liquor shops. But the promise has not been fulfilled by him. Now Mahila Morcha would remind him about his promise to the people, particularly to the women, and we request him to stop the bans. As far as the petrol and diesel prices are concerned, all over India the central government is selling at the same price to all the states. But the state government here, they are keeping the high taxes on the petrol and diesel, but covering their failures, telling the people that it is because of the central government the prices of fuels are going up. This is from my end. If at all you have any questions, please ask me. Anything has to be covered, sir? Thank you, media friends. Thank you.